to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are going to walk through how to apply an e-business visa, or in other terms, an e-visa for business purpose for Georgia. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this um, Georgian official website, okay, where you get like a state commission on migration issues of Georgia. So there, here they have described the categories of Georgian visa. If you go under C ordinary visa, they have a category C3, that is to hold business meetings and negotiations, workshops, conferences, other research, sports. Okay. So this is where we are gonna apply, like this is the category under which like general business activities, as you can see, are applicable. All right. Now, in order to apply it online, I have opened this Georgia e-visa portal. So you can click on apply now. First, you need to select your country of citizenship. Guys, whatever data I'm gonna put in this video is totally sample data. They do not belong to any living person. You will see that how we proceed. So it's just sample data, but when you fill your application, do it as per your case. So let's say you are an Indian citizen, travel document. Let's say you have ordinary purpose of visit. This is important. And I select business. It is asking you to get the travel insurance. If you don't have, you can get it here. It is asking if you have any visa for these countries. If you have, you can select that. Otherwise, ignore. So you have this validation. Then you go to next. Oh, honestly, guys, I'm very poor in this security code. I don't know why. Hopefully this time it gets through. Okay. So you need photo, passport scanned in single. Okay. You need to pay the fee. So post completing first step, complete to do verify application, additional fee of 15 USD. Okay. So like they will show the fee, but when you verify, you need to pay another fee. That's fine. So when you're gonna travel, let's say I give a sample date. So it will valid for 20 days, and you can stay 30 days during the validity period. Okay. All right. Visa fees 20 USD. Okay. Next. Now conditions. You have all the conditions. If you no fee refund, you need to meet all the conditions. If you applied from within Georgia, then that could be refused. Is for short purpose. You can just get through it. Okay. And passport validity. So that you need to check. Go to next. All right. So very simple page, guys. Your names, your name, first name, last name, date of birth, gender, email address, travel document number, passport, expiration date. If a representative is doing it, you need to provide the representative information. I mean, if your representative is submitting it. If you're traveling with a companion, you can specify. Like if you're going like a family, so you can select this. So passport scanned in single PDF for citizens of India, passport PDF must include both sides of passport, front and last page. And that you can attach. Next, you go here, verify, and you pay. So of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got the idea how it gets through. And if you have questions about this, you can go to FAQ. Okay. So all these questions you can get answers here. Okay. Visa fee, everything they have given. And of course, they can ask you additional documents if they feel like. And that's how it goes through, guys. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.